Hello, everyone. Pastor Padron here. And I'm here because earlier this week we got the drop of Palmetto Balkan, the latest small batch release from Cornell Diehl. This has been released a couple of times before, if I remember correctly. And it is a blend that Jeremy came up with that tries to really bring back the taste and aroma, the experience of Syrian Latakia, which of course hasn't been available for a very, very long time. Let me read you what's on the back of the tin here. Our unique interpretation of the Oriental forward blends of yesteryear, Palmetto Balkan features matured 2019 Bosma and 2022 pre-lit varietals, top tier 2013, 19, and 23 Carolina Red Virginias, and a melange of Cypriot and Turkish Latakia, enhanced by a special proprietary process, rich with notes of wood smoke, berries, oak, and baking spices. It showcases a velvety wine-like character reminiscent of long-lost Syrian leaf. Palmetto Balkan comes in 8-ounce tins. They produce 3,600 of these tins for this run. Let's open this up and see what we find inside, shall we? Let's see. Pop the top. Well, that's what's inside right there. You can see it. Packed to the gills. Definitely smoky, fruity. There's definitely a floral note there too. Maybe a little bit of must. It smells delicious. Shall we load it up into the pipe? There we go. Moisture content feels good. All right, let's light this stuff up. It might very well be just because I just read it, but that wine-like kind of note to the tobacco, I picked up on almost right away. There's a real floral forwardness to this, to my palate. It's a little bit fruity, a little bit smoky, and sweet in a kind of red wine kind of way. Wow. The room note is delicious. Much more fruity than I was expecting. As you get more into it, that smoky, woody, almost like smoked mesquite flavor comes forward from the Latakia. Now I'm getting a little bit of that classic barbecue-like finish on the palate that I often find in Latakia blends. The retrohale has a nice, soft, cedary kind of spice to it. You definitely get the florals of the Orientals in that as well. The room note on this is fantastic. I may be crazy, but I feel like I'm picking up a little bit of rose. It's definitely a kind of a baking spice style note that's building up on the finish. I also am picking that up in the retrohale. It's very soft in the retro, but it's building a little bit, pleasantly so, on the finish. The further down I get, the smoother, the creamier, the more married the flavors seem to become. That sweet red wine kind of sweetness that was there really at the front is really more in the back now. I'm picking up more of that mesquite-y, smoky, woody flavor on the finish. But the floral notes, the cedar notes, that sweeter, fruity, berry-like flavor from the Virginias, that's all still very much there. And the floral notes in the room note are still very, very nice. It is, this is one of the nicest smelling Balkan blends that I have smoked. All right, everybody. The 2026 variety of Palmetto Balkan. This is a great Oriental forward Balkan blend. It has been probably since about the time that Syrian tobacco went out of style was the last time I had some Syrian tobacco. So I can't really compare this to what Syrian tobacco is supposed to be like, but you can tell that this is not your normal Latakia blend. Whatever they do to the Latakia, their proprietary process, it does seem to make it sweeper, deeper, a little bit richer. That wine-like quality that they talk about on the tin is definitely there. I know I've said it multiple times throughout the presentation here, but the room note is fantastic. That floral, incensey, and sometimes wisps of rose, both on the palate and in the room note, and the aroma is just very, very interesting to me. This is a very nice medium-bodied, medium-strength blend. For better or worse, it only comes in 8-ounce tins. I know some places will take a tin and sell it by the ounce so that it's a little more easy for people to get and try some than get 8 ounces at a time. Twins is one of those places. We're going to do that with a couple of these tins. If you like Balkan blends, Palmetto Balkan this year, I think is very, very good. I think the only thing going against this is that you have to buy 8 ounces at a time. Well, all right, everybody. I'm going to get ready to go to work. You guys have a great day. I'm going to finish smoking this tobacco, and I will see you next time on Not Just Blowing Smoke. Stay smoky, my friends.